with it.
begin.
Oh. Lean with it. Oh. Lean.
What?
I'm judging.
Alright. He's going to be replacing a throttle body gasket on a 2000 Acura Integra. This works from 94 to 2001. And he's going to be removing right now the air filter.
I don't want to drop this piece.
The air intake. I said air filter. My bad. I make a boo-boo. Alright. Once you remove your air intake, your throttle body is right here. And we'll have to take that apart to replace that gasket because we have a little leakage and the RPMs are going a little up and down.
A little? It's hitting 2,000.
You have to take the clip all the way off.
You said take it off.
Yeah, you could, whatever. Ready?
Go, father.
Alright, now that we remove the air intake, we have a, what's this, a 12 millimeter socket to remove the actual throttle body. This one bolt right here. I think it's like what, 2 at the bottom?
That light is way too bright.
Is it?
Yeah, but you know what? It rhymes, so it's whatever.
Alright. I've removed 2 bolts from each corner and 2 nuts, top and 1 at the bottom. So each corner has 1 nut and 1 bolt. And now we remove the connector and the throttle body, and it's off. We should be able to see the gasket pretty soon.
It's crazy how it's like still sunny out, but it's quite dark in here. That light comes in handy though.
And here goes your throttle body right here. Oh, look at the gasket. It's broken. See?
In the inside?
Look, it's broken in half.
Oh, that's the yellow thing?
That's a throttle.
Why is it yellow?
Because the gasket happens to be yellow, my friend. Alright, we're gonna remove this one and replace it with the new one. Why you holding one? Go get the other one. Go get the other one. Alright, the whole gasket's out. Here's the new one. Right here. Take it out of this package. And we're gonna replace it. Simple pack. Alright, now that we place the gasket back in. New gasket. Replace the throttle body back. So now that you got all this taken apart, let's take a look in here and make sure that the throttle body and the actual water pipe and everything is clean right inside here. See? It's all clean.
It's clean.
And if it's not, use some carbon cleaner and clean that part up. Alright, the one bolt is at the bottom. This actual harness, it goes, I guess, held down by that bolt. Make sure you put it on underneath. Let me see this. I don't know if you can see it from this angle. But grab the camera and try to point it out. This is the harness right here, and the bolt goes right there. Like this metal bracket. And the bolt goes there. It's the bottom bolt. Then back up. There goes the top bolt right here. That's the second one. And then there are 2 nuts. One goes, see there's another clip right here that holds down the harness. Trying to work with one hand while I'm holding the light also. So make sure that that's on there because this just a metal piece that holds down the harness is being held down by that nut. And then the other nut goes under. You gotta put that nut under here, you know what I'm saying?
Yo, the past 2 videos, you said that.
Relax, bro, relax. It's only parts. It's called a nut, and those are bolts. What you want me to call it, a screw?
Yes, please.
Alright, the nut / screw.
Oh my god.
Now, all of them are in there. You're gonna use that. The ratchet to tighten them down. Now that the 2 bolts are on tighten, the 2 nuts are on tighten. Now you put this harness back on there, just connect it back on there. There's another one over here, but I didn't remove it. I didn't unplug it. So if you do unplug it, plug that one back in there. Plug this back in there, and then put your air intake back into place, and you're done. That's how you replace the actual throttle body gasket. And if you like this video, like and subscribe.
Wow.